In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Basecamp Calendar. The calendar helps you track deadlines, events, and project timelines in one simple view. Let's get started. First, sign into your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to use the calendar. Once inside, click on the Schedule or Calendar section in the project navigation. Next, you'll see a visual timeline of all upcoming events and deadlines. This helps you quickly understand what's coming up and what needs attention. To add something new, click Add Event. Then enter a clear title, choose the date, and set the time if needed. You can also add details like meeting links, notes, or attachments to give your team full context. After that, click Save, and your event will appear on the calendar immediately. Everyone in the project will be able to see it and stay aligned with the timeline. You can also click on any event to edit it, move dates, or add updates as plans change. And that's how to use the Basecamp calendar. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.